All right, we're at the highly desired Pohinahina model now. Right behind me is one of the biggest models. It's also got 5 bedrooms, but 4.5 bathrooms this time. And you've got a huge garage with a driveway as well. But you notice the finish behind me is a little bit different than the one we just showed at the Naupaka. So there's actually 2 exterior finishes you can choose from based on how they designate the lots. So just keep in mind, there's one that's more, I guess, rustic with the stone appeal, and then some with the siding, more traditional vibe. So that's kind of the differences. But inside this one, there is a big surprise that I want to show you guys, including a courtyard inside of your home. Like, how cool is that? You've also got the covered extended lanai option. So again, a really great experience of indoor-outdoor living lifestyle, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. All right, so this wraps up this tour of the Pohinahina model at Kekainani. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. It's a beautiful one, great for really large families. Again, 5 bedrooms. This is so rare to have on Oahu. And you've just got so many different places for people to hang out that you can really just enjoy that privacy and peace and quiet if you want it. Or if you have a house full of a ton of kids, we love that too. But just so many options. And again, this one's full of upgrades. So you're gonna get inspired to add those upgrades and personalize it to your own touch. And if you guys have questions, again, drop it in the comments below, shoot me an email. We're gonna wrap up this video with steps of what to do if you wanna move forward. And I will see you guys with another video. Bye.